Hello class, I hope everybody's being safe and enjoying these new problems, word problems. I know how much everybody loves word problems, but I'm gonna take this time to explain how this is done. Okay, if you can buy 1 can of pineapple chunks for $2, then how many can you buy with $10? Some of you don't have to set up a proportion to solve this. You could think about it in a way, in a practical way. So you say 1 can, so 1 can equals $2. So I want to know how many $2 are in a 10, right? That would be 5, right? It would be, if I divide 10 by 2, I get 5. So those are 5 cans. So that would be my answer, 5 cans. But I'll show you how to set up a proportion which will work for every word problem on this homework. Okay, this is on the proportions homework, problem number 1. Okay, so I'm gonna set up a proportion here. A proportion is a fraction equals another fraction. Now, when we look at the first thing says 1 can, so I'm gonna say 1 can. 1 can of pineapple chunks is $2. 1 can, $2. That's my conversion rate, right? For every 1 can, I have to pay $2. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the same thing for the other part instead, and I'm gonna keep dollars on the bottom and cans on top. Okay, so for the next thing that I see is how many cans. That's what I'm trying to figure out. How many cans? Okay, so cans is gonna go on top because that's what I'm trying to figure out. So that's gonna be my variable x. So then how many cans can you buy with $10, which goes on the bottom? Okay, all of these problems are going to be set up this way. Okay, now if you see that dollars are on the bottom, cans are on the top. Okay, once we have it set up that way, it becomes a lot easier because we come here and we cross multiply. Okay, and I'm left with $10 times 1 can, which is just $10. Okay, equals $2 times the x. Okay, now I'm trying to solve for this x. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to divide by $2 to both sides because that will leave this x alone. So I'll do $2. This cancels out and I'm left with x equals 10 over 2, which is 5. So it would equal 5 cans that I can buy with $10.